Succulents are known for their resilience and low-maintenance care. Their ability to thrive in arid environments makes them popular houseplants. However, even these desert dwellers have a weakness: overwatering. New succulent owners often shower their plants with love in the form of frequent watering. This well-intentioned act can lead to disastrous consequences. Fear not, succulent savior. Recognizing the signs of overwatering and understanding how to prevent it can mean the difference between a thriving succulent and a mushy mess. Let's dive into the telltale signs of an overwatered succulent, and more importantly, how to bring your waterlogged plant back from the brink. Ailing succulents often send out clear distress signals. Learning to read these signs is crucial for early intervention. One of the most obvious signs is mushy, translucent leaves. Healthy succulents boast plump, firm leaves. Overwatering causes the leaves to become engorged and soft, often taking on a translucent, almost jelly-like appearance. Another red flag is yellowing leaves, especially if they are lower on the stem. This indicates prolonged exposure to excess moisture. Leaf drop is another symptom not to be ignored. While some leaf loss is normal, excessive dropping, especially when the leaves are mushy or discolored, points to overwatering. Check the stem. A soft, mushy stem is a sure sign of trouble, indicating potential rot. Finally, feel the soil. If it remains consistently wet or takes a very long time to dry out, you're likely overwatering. Don't despair. If your succulent shows signs of overwatering, there's still hope. The first step is to assess the damage. Carefully unpot the succulent and examine its roots. Healthy roots are white or light brown and firm to the touch. Rotted roots will be brown, black, or mushy, often emitting an unpleasant odor. If rot is present, use clean, sharp scissors to trim away the affected areas. Next, gently remove the soggy soil from the roots, being careful not to cause further damage. Repot the succulent in a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for succulents and cacti. Choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. Once repotted, place the succulent in a warm, well-lit area, but avoid direct sunlight until it recovers. Section 4. Drought-proofing your desert darlings, preventing overwatering. The key to happy succulents lies in understanding their natural environment and watering needs. Start with the right soil. A well-draining potting mix designed for succulents is crucial. These mixes typically contain ingredients like perlite, pumice, or coarse sand that allow water to drain quickly. Choose the right pot. Terracotta pots are a great option as they are porous and allow the soil to breathe. Adopt the soak and dry method. When you water your succulent, water deeply until the excess flows out of the drainage holes. Then allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Avoid fixed watering schedules. Instead, feel the soil with your finger. If it's completely dry an inch or two below the surface, it's time to water. Remember, succulents are drought tolerant and thrive in dry conditions. Section 5. Farewell and fresh starts. When to let go and propagate. Sadly, some succulents may be too far gone to save. If the stem is completely mushy or black, or if the majority of the roots are rotted, it might be time to say goodbye. However, don't despair. You can often propagate new succulents from healthy leaves. Simply twist off a healthy leaf from the stem and allow it to callus over for a few days. Then place the leaf on a well-draining potting mix and mist lightly every few days. With patience and care, the leaf will develop roots and grow into a new succulent. Overwatering is a common pitfall for succulent owners, but it doesn't have to be a death sentence for your plants. By recognizing the signs, taking swift action, and adopting preventative measures, you can help your succulents thrive. Remember, these resilient plants are designed to withstand drought, not drowning. Give them the right care and they'll reward you with their unique beauty for years to come.